it comes. Yeah. It's off. Yeah. Are we in? Yeah. Woo! We're back. Good morning. About 7 a.m. Can hear some movement out here, so decided I'd get up and hit day 5. We did a little bit of extra credit last night, and we had to torque those head bolts because you have to torque them and they have to sit for overnight, so 12 hours or more, or maybe it's more than 12 hours. I don't know. I'll check with Allison, but you have to torque them to 180 and then hit them to 300 foot-pounds, and then come back the next day and do them again 300 foot-pounds just to set them nice. So we did that last night, and that little bit extra credit painting, maybe a little bit of polishing on some gasket material. But let's get going after day 5. Our head is officially torqued down. We did 180, 300, 300 last night. This morning did another 300. And then you have to draw a line that's this way, and then turn it straight sideways. So that's what we did. And now we're just getting everything on the back of the head. It's gonna be hard to get to once we get all this stuff on here. So I got this on already with the new gasket. Got the new bracket back there for the cam. Now I'm gonna put the fuel line that's on the back of the cam. These have these little crush washers like that. The fuel goes in that little hole and comes out the front. So that's how it's working. Let's get everything else on the back tightened up and work forward. Another thing I kind of noticed while I was back here, I always saw these wires, like the loom had melted off of it or deteriorated, so it was pretty bad right here. I just cut it all off nice and clean and put new loom, and I'm gonna wrap it so it'll be nice and clean again. Little things you can do, you can do it yourself. And voila, much, much better. Now they're protected, we can move on to other things. Okay, I am done being under the truck. Those are all the bags for my new coolant nozzles, or oil coolant nozzles that shoot up at the bottom piston. Just got those in, just torqued my rods, and some more toys showed up. We have our new starter, our new alternator, and these are the, I don't know if they're called tubes or what, these are what the rockers roll on. These are like $300 a piece, so let's get those out of the rain. And now we're gonna put the intake on and pray that our injectors get here soon. Plus we gotta put the front cover back on, but I have to lift the motor up again and get that lower mount off, so keep rocking. So next step, we have our front cover on. It is quite the sequence, plus there is a special bolt that's different than all the other ones, so you have to make sure you put it in the right spot. And then there's like a sequence of outside, inside, all over the place to tighten it down, and Ethan helped us today. He stayed home from lunch, so it's awesome. So thank you, Ethan. Thanks for everything, man. And now we're gonna lower it back down. We've got our motor mount back on, and we should be rocking and rolling. And Josh will stop by again. What's up, guys? Be a cool radiator, would it? Awesome. Thank you so much for getting it to us.
Would be a doggone radiator.
There you go. Thanks, man.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it, man.
No worries. The radiator came in. We're piecing it together, guys. Sure. Okay. But first, thanks to Allison, we got some lunch. You are the man. Thank you, brother. You helped me figure out how to tighten these. You got to double them around. But Andrew, what is that? My goodness, what do you got here?
JTX 28x16s.
And you're a wholesaler for them?
Yeah.
H2G. I like it, man. Takes a little bit of work to get that done, though, huh?
Yeah.
A lot of wiping your finger, brushing, wiping, and sucking with a vacuum. But man, that looks cool. And these are going on Dad's truck?
Yeah.
All right, JTX. I've never heard of them until Andrew, but they look pretty dang cool. I'm working on this old manifold, which isn't fitting. And look who just showed up with injectors. So we're gonna check them out. It's a new company we've never used before. All the way over? Not yet. No, whoa. Further? That's all the way. Yep. Go back the other way. All the way. Dropping Caitlin's or Allison's head now. You do this very slowly. That's it. That's all the way. Here she comes. Damn forklift just died. All right. Here it comes. It's off. Are we in? Yeah. Woo! We made it. Take it up.
Break it up.
Crank it up. Crank it up, soldier boy. All right, guys. That's my first time setting ahead. Last time they wouldn't trust me. Thank you. Almost as good as Andrew. I'm forklift certified. Every time I'm at the docks and they want to load my truck, give me a forklift. No, I know how to use it, but that is some precision stuff because you do not want to nick a dang thing on surface of your block and your head. So she's locked in now too. She can get torqued down, and I'm gonna do a couple more things to try and get my turbo on. Beautiful downtown Griffin. I'm gonna go to the bank and make a little payment today for all the parts I've accumulated. And I owe a huge thank you to Caitlin over there at Hey Guy for getting those parts and dealing with me, telling her different things that I need and trying to explain to her what they are. So she's done great. Everything's showed up. We're one thing that we need to wait for on Monday. But other than that, we're gonna be great and good to go. So let's get to the bank. And the reason I'm going to the bank is because it's Friday. We might be able to get everything done maybe Sunday, but most likely Monday. And also, I don't want to pay 3% in credit card fees, so I'm just going to get a cashier's check. What kind of powwow is going on in here, huh?
It's lunchtime.
Lunchtime powwow? It's like 5 o'clock.
He's not recording.
I am recording you. I got your red hair. I got the puppy.
It's just payday.
I was trying to say thank you to Caitlin for getting all my parts. There's a little something for you for Christmas.
For me for Christmas?
Yeah. There you go.
That goes to me. You didn't do anything.
Oh, my goodness.
It's right out to the wrong name, Justin.
Your dad told me to write to that name.
This is not second one.
Oh, my bad. Thank you for all the parts, seriously. Let's get back for a little bit more stuff. So now Allison's hitting the 300.
For the second.
Oh, 300 club for the second time. I'm doing thermostats, guys. This is your thermostat for your truck. There is a little, what's that called? A crush?
This is a seal.
This is seal. But you have to get that out of there. And see, I put a little socket in there. This is one of Allison's many tricks with the crow's feet. So I'm gonna pop that out, press that one in, and then that's gonna go right here in the housing. We'll put another gasket on there, got it all clean. So maybe Sunday, but most likely Monday, we will get all the gears on and the cam in. And then it's a matter of putting these injectors in, our rockers, and button up everything else. We got everything's torqued down underneath. We just got to put the pickup tube in, the oil pump, and the cover, the brace in the middle. So we're looking good, guys. We'll get our turbo on. We have to clock it a little bit differently. The old one was clocked wrong, which clocking means spinning the two housings. But everything's looking good, guys. We are fresh and ready to go. That was a big piece right there, getting that cover main front structure on. And we got it on. Okay. And we have new starter, new alternator, new radiator. That's a huge one right there. 2 new filters. That top one's gold right now. It's in the in-frame kit, but you can't find it anywhere. And then we have our harmonic balancer right there. And then there's our new turbo right there. Bam! And what's in here? Came on time, our injectors. Well, we'll probably pull those apart on Sunday, kind of look over stuff if we come back here for a little bit. But we're going to enjoy T-Dubs because she should be showing up pretty soon. This is the old little seal. Has a little rubber inside. Came out really easy with her new tactic. And then they also have a new tool that presses it in. That last time we used a socket. They've got all kinds of new tools these days. There you go. And the thing just presses it in.
You don't press it in, you gotta knock it in.
Okay. Knock it down with a little bit of force.
Yep.
But it does it nice and evenly, yeah. It change sounds. There she is. Make sure you change that if you ever do a thermostat, guys. It's going to be in the kit. Don't think it's just for fun.
1, 2, 3. Where's the part number?
What's the part number?
20102-A.
All righty. Grab it. Probably 40, 50 bucks. Something like that. All right, let's put this thing on. Hi, beautiful girl. Thanks for coming to see me.
I miss you.
I miss you. Let's give a kiss. This is my buddy David. He's from South Florida. He's awesome. He went to dinner with us a couple times. Waiting on some parts. You bringing out the crazy? How you doing, big boy?
Pretty baby.
See, I know there's food in this box.
Thanks. So you want to see what I've been doing all week, babe? It's amazing. It's so amazing. I like that you came in to see us. Like those donuts you did.
Oh, those donuts.
Oh, those, was that me? Yeah. Let's go check it out. And Patrick's gonna go to dinner with us. Oh, and I'll show you. You're so pretty.
Oh, you're so sweet. You're so kind.
Ready? Look what I've done. We have a new motor. Well, not almost done. Trey's gonna finish it up. Can I bring that cat home? So cute.
You've asked me about that cat like 3
How do you
times.
feel about the flux capacitor?
Looks fantastic. I know. By the way, I know what a flux capacitor is.
Carburetor.
I've seen
Triple carburetors.
back.
Really? Thank you for coming to visit me. So, she loves the engine. She really doesn't care, guys. I'm pretty sure. But Ashley and Allison have been looking for any kind of karaoke bars around, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do Tina's favorite thing. And Caitlin, you gonna karaoke?
I'm gonna go to bed.
Are you gonna karaoke? You think it? You think maybe? Of course you think maybe. How old is he?
He's 9 weeks.
9 weeks. Looks like he's gonna be big.
I'm already showing and stuff, so I'm like.
Probably ready.
But yeah, guys, we're gonna hit some karaoke tonight. God bless you. Pray for myself. Pray for David. Oh yeah, you gonna come with us?
Possibly.
Maybe come and hang out. See what's going on. We'll see. Are they working on your fan clutch right now? Nice. So I can get your butt out of here. It's a wrap for day 3, guys, or day 5. Sorry. God bless you. I've got a couple of parts I'm still missing. Just a couple little hoses and elbows and stuff. So we'll get that Monday, Tuesday. We should be rolling Tuesday. Hopefully, I'll get a little bit done on Sunday. Maybe get the gear set. But whatever I do, I'll bring you along. But it's family time. T-Dubs came to see me, so I'm gonna hang out with her. You might see some karaoke. God bless you. See you in the next one. Seen this shop, have you?
I haven't. I love it.
Ah.
This is awesome.
Remember that big old truck?
Yeah. I'm gonna forget.
How could I forget? Oh, it says pretty Harley. My goodness. T-Dubs wanted to see the new garage before we go get some dinner. There was Christmas stuff in here. Like half this room was Christmas stuff.
There's Christmas stuff.
There was so much Christmas stuff.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Now it's dinner time.